Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel some chef food. So today we are going to make KitKat Nutella. हमने एक KitKat डाली, so we are putting a teaspoon of Nutella over it, and then we are putting condensed milk and whipping cream mixture. And now on this freezer we are chopping it with the help of spatula. हम इसको चॉप कर रहे हैं स्पैचुला की मदद से. एज यू कैन सी ये हम बना रहे हैं किटकैट कर्ल्स. ये देखिए हमें कम लगा तो हमने इसके अंदर और एक डाल दिया है. साइड बाय साइड वी आर एडिंग द कंडेंस्ड मिल्क एंड whipping cream mixture as it is needed. And the plate in which we are doing it is a freezing plate in which the temperature is very low. So you guys can see we are making 2 cups of it. Still we are chopping it. Now placing over the cold plate. It is also a manner of chopping the KitKat. So guys, how you find my last ice cream banana video? Do watch it and tell me in the comment section so that I can know it how it was. So it is very cool right now, but we are still adding the condensed milk and whipping cream mixture. I think the quality that the maker want to achieve is not yet achieved, so that is why he is adding more and more cream. Helado Curl is the name of this place. And KitKat it was KitKat Nutella curl. Still adding condensed milk and whipping cream mixture. Now still chopping it, mixing it well to make a great ice cream. Literally speaking, when it was made and I tasted it, it was super yummy. Yes, it was super yummy. You guys must try it. Almost it is available in every city. Curls is the name. Curls, KitKat curl, Nutella curl. In last video I showed you how to make banana curls. Still he is firstly doing 2 parts for the 2 cups I ordered, and then he is adding the whipping cream and condensed milk mixture and still chopping it well to give out the desired great taste. So guys, it was super yummy and everyone must try it. Now he is doing the 2 parts of it like this, and he will spread it over here in this cool plate, freezing plate, and then you will see what the miracle will happen. So guys, are you ready to see the miracle? It is a super cool plate, and now see what happened to it. Here we go guys. Now curls will happen over here like this. I hope you guys like it. It was super yummy, as I told you. So he will tell me how to. All the curls are placed over here in the cup, in the serving cup, and then the toppings of my favorite is chocolate, and also some chocolate chip